sa kitchen.
We are the dream girls. Step aside. We're just going for a ride.
Ate yung verse ko, no?
Together we are born.
Pataas na lang. Tangkad me.
Together we are born to amplify.
Lapit pala sa kitchen.
Together we are born. Together we are born. Together we are born to amplify.
Panis. I'm like a proud mom. One take.
Okay ba yun?
Ah. Wala, maganda na talaga eh.
Thank you.
Wala na akong isip.
Panis. Panis.
Narinig nga.
We are the dream girls. Step aside. We're just going for a ride. Sino ba nagsabing pangarap ay may alituntunin?
Wala na, yun na.
Dream girls.
Sorry.
Ay, yung aside pala. Dream girls. Ay, aside. Step aside. Dream girls. Aside. Ride. Hindi ko sabay yung go.
Yung go lang. Okay lang, okay lang. Gawin mo ulit. Isa pa.
Okay. Dream girls. Aside. Go. Ride.
Tingnan.
All the dream girls. Step aside. We're just going for a ride. Sino ba nagsabing Sino ba ang sabing pangarap ay may alituntunin? Sino ba ang nagsabing pangarap ay may alituntunin?
Diba? Putek, rapper ka na ngayon.
Okay na po. Pasado na po ba?
Pasado.
Yay!
Okay.
Then,
We are the dream girls.